gonna stand here and segregate you. But that's alright because Eisenhower protects you. Go back home, blacks don't belong here. But that's alright because we live in 57. Living in 57. I can't tell you what I really am. I can only tell you what they call me. And right now I'm disgraced from my hometown. I can't publish, but I still write while I can write. As long as Stalin doesn't kill me, they can burn my book. It's 57 in the Soviet. It's Mickey Mantle, the one who plays for the New York Yankees. It was the epitome of the generation. They freaking loved him, and he loved it. Wait, you bat with both? Of course I do. Now it's time for Kerouac. He was the author of On the Road. He drank a bit and died at a young age. I'm Kerouac in Manhattan. It's late 1940.
It's 1940, and now we're on to the next thing. Bridge on Kauai, located with the Japs at benefit of America. We built on the territory. We'll never stoop so low again. I guess we don't know our influence. Just gonna throw a beach ball above Earth, but that's alright because it's a satellite. Just wanna measure density of the atmosphere. The launching site was at Gagarin Start. This was in 1957. You ever been so powerful that you advocated peace in the country, you spread communism, even in your sleep? Yeah, I'm talking of Enlil. Now we're moving on to a different subject. I've been on attention, Christian verse my some study each other's face with their political and religious tension. U.S. centuries to separate NKPs, and around the next thing, no more repeats. Charles de Gaulle, national leader of France, better and resistance, from 1959 to 69. The rest of the children, World War I, she works out later. I guess that we can start something new because we're so popular. Brooklyn City moved to LA, sounds like no big deal, but it was limited to the eastern part. Mexican, San Francisco Giants, you don't get a second chance. Now you made it to the big leagues, but you failed again, you don't get to entertain the community guests, that's why they call it California.
Life is not a game, but there was a homicide. Now we got 11 dead, a couple dogs. Guess that's why they call it homicide. Just gonna blame stock, weather, and his girl. That's alright, because they are the ones who killed. He needed money and wanted more power. But the ends don't justify the means. They don't justify the means. Now it's time for Germany and their pills that were really bad and that caused deformity, some with limbs. But that short-term consequence is not worth it, not for the long. When it comes to safety, they don't care. Babies dying everywhere, more than 40%. What can we do?